How to fix Among Us game not working problem. So friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So if you're new here in this video, please do subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So in this video, I will be showing how to fix Among Us game not working problem. So friends, I'll show you step by step. You just need to watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So the first thing, I want you to know that your internet connection should be stable, as good and well. So second thing, you just need to go to Play Store, Google Play Store, and then search for Among Us game. So friends, you just need to check out whether your Among Us application is asking for update or not. If it is asking for update, please make sure to update the Among Us game application. So and then after updating, check out whether it is working or not. So even after updating, you're still facing the same problem. So I've got a new idea for to fix this. So friends, if you're still facing it even after updating, you just need to go to settings and then scroll down, and then you can see apps here. So you can see, this kind of interface will pop out. So you just need to tap manage apps and then search for Among Us application. You'll find somewhere here. Just scroll down, search for Among Us. You can see here, friends. So just tap there, and then you just need to clear the data of this game application. So just simply clear all data. So after clearing data, just try to access the application. I hope you may fix that problem. But even after clearing data, you're still facing the same problem. Then the third option will be, you just need to uninstall. You just need to uninstall this Among Us application and then reinstall it and try logging in with your Among Us account. So even after uninstalling and reinstalling, you're still facing the same problem. The last and final option will be, you should download VPN, because it may be you're facing this problem because of server issue. So you just need to go to Play Store and then search for any VPN application. So I prefer you to download TBN Turbo VPN Lite, free VPN boxes savior. So you can simply download this VPN application and then connect it to United States of America. So friends, after connecting VPN, I assure you that you will be able to access this game application. So friends, that's it. It's very easy and simple. I hope you understand this video. So thanks for watching this video.